Okay, everybody, so back finally with another box break. It's 2014 Topps Finest Baseball. So here, mainly what I'm going for, excuse me, would be Masahiro Tanaka rookies and or Bobby Abreu rookies. No, actually not Bobby Abreu, Jose Abreu.
Jose?
Jose! Yes, he's like a hose, like a garden hose.
Okay.
Jose, Hose hyphen Y.
Rosé wine?
No, we opened this one first. Okay. Once again, I should have...
Oh, you want the scissors?
No, I got it. Okay, so we got two mini boxes. And we'll do odds, evens to see who gets to open the first pack. So basically what you do is you put out two fingers, or you put out one finger, and whatever the sum of our hands are is the, what the number is. So you either pick odds or evens. Do you want odds or evens?
Odds. Okay,
so if the number is odd, you get to open the first pack. So ready? And we go 1, 2, 3, then I'll say shoot, and that's when you put your finger out. Ready? No, you gotta go. 1, 2, 3, shoot! Me open the first pack. If it was 3 or 1.
That odds were the other one. I thought odds were like 0, 2, 4, 6.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's not fair. Right, you don't call it that in French. Okay. Okay, so we should do it again.
No.
Yes, no. Let's do it again. Do you know rock, paper, scissors?
Yes.
Okay. So ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot, and then we'll go. And you know the rules.
I don't remember. It's fine, just start.
Paper beats rock, scissors beats paper, and rock beats scissors. Okay, so we got the first pack. Here we go, and on the front of it is Xander Bogaerts, whatever his name is. What do you think his name is?
Bogaerts.
Okay. And his first name?
I didn't see it. Xander.
Okay, here we go. We've got Tanaka. That's the guy I wanted to get.
Oh, nice.
Got him already. Okay, but he's not the first card. The first card is... I don't think I could say this guy's name. Jake Marisnick. Yeah? Okay, Jake Marisnick, and it's a rookie. There's that. He plays for Miami, apparently. Oh, Tony Gwynn. That's good. So, second card, actually, Masahiro Tanaka. And unfortunately, he got hurt this year already. But hopefully, he'll be able to come back and be as good as he was before. So, insert now Tony Gwynn, who just passed away this year, unfortunately. And it's a, let's see, finest vintage tools refractor. Or wait, maybe not refractor, maybe all of these inserts are refractors. Anyway. Okay. And Jose Abreu, the other guy I was hoping to get.
Good pick.
Okay, so that's really strange. There he is, Jose Abreu, rookie, who has been on fire this year. He is a bit old for a rookie, though. He's 27, and actually Tanaka is 26 or 27 also. So they're both kind of old for being rookies, but that's because Tanaka played in Japan and Abreu played in Cuba before coming here. Okay, so the last card is Edwin Encarnacion.
Encarnacion.
No, Encarnacion. Okay, so pack 2, yes. Ooh, already got the ones I wanted to get. Now I need to get refractors of them, and gold refractors, and X-fractors, and autographs, and game jerseys, and
Maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Pedro Alvarez.
Okay. Didn't you say it was Alvarez?
Alvarez.
Alvarez. The fluffle. If we have to take our tongue out, whenever we say a Spanish sounding name.
Eric Johnson.
And it's a rookie, Eric Johnson. All right.
Troy Tulowitzki.
Yes, Troy Tulowitzki. Say it the German way.
Tulowitzki.
Tulowitzki, yes. And it is a insert. It's a retro design insert from the old Topps Finest sets.
Yu Darvish.
Hey, you Darvish, yay! Oh, and look, it's numbered. It's a refractor, numbered to 125. You Darvish, another very good pitcher of Japanese and Iranian descent,
Oh, yeah?
I believe. Yes,
Iranian?
yes. After all, you isn't really, or Darvish isn't. Darvish isn't a Japanese.
No,
Japanese.
sounds Turkish, yeah.
Japanese.
And the last one is Aroldis Chapman.
What? Yeah, okay, apparently it is. Aroldis Chapman. Okay. Alright, so 2 good rookies, couple of inserts, and a numbered Yu Darvish card. And it was numbered 091 of 125. Doing well so far. Okay. Oh, I recognize it. Okay. So, ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got Miguel Cabrera. Miggy. There he is. Just a regular base card, though. Am I saying it right? Cabrera? Miguel?
Miguel Cabrera.
No. Now we have Alex Rios. Yes. Okay. And now we have a refractor that is not numbered. Oh boy. It's a rookie. And Taijuan?
I guess.
Taijuan Walker. We're going for the authentic pronunciations of all these guys, which I'm sure I probably won't get even close to. Okay, so it's a refractor, but it's not numbered. Now, very nice looking card. It's called, this guy's name is apparently Michael Choice, and it's a Warriors insert, or maybe
Nice card.
subset or something. Yeah, very nice. I like the blueness of it. I like that it's die cut. Very, very cool looking card. And here's the back for you. Okay, and the last card we have is Chris Davis, the power hitter. Ooh, sort of came out of nowhere. Okay, so yes. The packet
Steven Strasburg.
Oh, wow, okay. Another good guy. Very nice, very nice.
Alex Guerrero.
Rookie, Alex Guerrero. Okay, he goes over
George Springer. Autograph.
Hey, a rookie autograph with Houston, George Springer. Here we go. Not numbered, but it's an on-card autograph, which is nice.
Giancarlo Stanton.
Giancarlo Stanton. Stanton. Okay, here we go. Giancarlo.
Adam Jones.
Adam Jones. Okay, not Pac-Man. Yeah, it's a different sport. And there we go. Okay. So we got one autograph. Okay. Jason Kipnis. Base card. Nick Castellanos. Base card. Oh no, I'm sorry, rookie card. And we've got Pedro Alvarez. And it's an X-fractor, not numbered, but nice and shiny and glittery. Okay, so Buster Posey. There we go, base card. And Tim Beckham, or Beckham, maybe? Rookie.
Okay, so we got, I have no idea how to pronounce that. Rugnid Otter?
Rognid? That, wow, I have to say that's a very interesting name. And his last name is Oder.
Oder.
Okay, and it's a rookie card, so... Here, you know what, I'm gonna let you guys decide for yourselves, because I actually haven't seen this guy play before, so I don't know how to pronounce that. Rugged?
Matt Kemp.
Oh, it's easy to say. Okay, Matt Kemp. Here we go.
Manny Machado.
Ah, and it's a refractor, and it is not numbered. There we go.
Ian Kinsler.
Okay, Ian Kinsler, good.
And Xander Bogaerts.
Xander, yes. Alright, so we got Xander Bogaerts, rookie. Here we go. Okay, now before we continue, I just want to read a little bit. Okay. Green refractor 1 in 3, blue 1 in 4, black 1 in 5, gold 1 in 9, red 1 in 18, magenta 1 in 30, atomic 1 in 88, superfractor 1 in 440. Now there's a whole bunch of subsets and other stuff which I'm not going to read, but I suppose if we get one of them, I will mention it. Okay, so it's my turn again, right? Yeah, there's a whole... I'll just give you a little look-see at all the different possible cards you can get. Parallels and inserts and whatnot. Subsets, I suppose. Okay, here we go. Oh boy. Jose Fernandez. And it's just a base card. Now we've got Madison Bumgarner. Base card. Okay, we have a refractor, Justin Upton. Not numbered. Now we've got Travis. That's
Darno?
a friend. That's, yeah. Darnaud.
Dano.
No, Darnaud. And it's a rookie. Darnaud. And Jarrett Cole, and it's a base card. Man, I got spoiled with that first pack.
So who do you want to have?
Excuse me. I want a Masahiro Tanaka and Jose Abreu dual refractor, dual game jersey card, numbered to... Not numbered to 1. I'm going to say numbered to 5, because that numbered to 1 would be too greedy.
Albert Pujols?
No. Pujols.
Oh, okay.
Albert Pujols. That's how he pronounces it.
Okay.
I'm not joking.
I believe you. Jimmy Nelson?
Rookie, Jimmy Nelson. What a boring name.
Michael Choice autograph?
Okay. Michael Choice autograph. Here we go. Nice on-card auto. It is not numbered, but still nice.
Chris Sale?
Okay, Chris Sale, I know him.
And Freddie Freeman.
Alright, there we go. So I guess we might as well throw the rest of these packs away,
Yeah,
because...
I think so. Yeah, let's get them. I take one for me.
No.
And if I get one, I sell it to you.
Okay. Okay, we've got Carlos Santana. Not the guitarist, the baseball player. There we go. Carlos Santana. Base card. Okay, now we've got Shin Soo Chu. I'm not joking, that's his name. Base card. Okay, we've got a rookie, Eric Johnson, and it's an X-Fractor. Nice and sparkly, huh? There we go. And we got George Springer again. Was the last one we had? Yeah. Oh, okay. So, this is interesting. David Price, base card, by the way. But the George Springer regular rookie and the George Springer autographed card are different pictures, which is very nice.
That's interesting. CJ
Kron, I guess, yeah. Rookie.
Adam Wainwright,
Mm-hmm.
or maybe Sunwright.
Ha. Refractor, Adam Wainwright.
Max Scherzer.
Scherzer. Or, I think some people do say Scherzer. I can't remember now. Ooh, and it's a refractor numbered to 25. Not paying attention, Frenchie.
No.
Okay, there we go. It's numbered 404 of 25. Okay, so just take a little look-see. You can continue.
Jose Ramirez.
What?
Jose Ramirez.
Rosé? Like the wine?
I say like you.
I say
Jose.
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 Ramirez.
Ramirez.
Rookie?
And Troy Tulowitzki.
Yes, that is true. Okay. I wonder, does it... No. Okay. Okay, Josh Donaldson, base card. Derek Jeter, base card. Derek is retiring this year, as you probably know. Yep. He's been playing since 1995. Actually, I should... Right, in the preseason, yeah, in the spring training game. Yep, that's true. His last year. Historic career. Okay, we've got Finest Sterling insert, Felix Hernandez. Nice card, not numbered though. And we've got Bryce Harper, also known as El Douchebag. No,
El Douchebag.
I don't know. It sounds classier than The Douchebag. I don't like him. I think he's a whiner. And Hanley Ramirez. No! She's using a scissor to cut the pack open.
See, there was at least 1 centimeter, which is...
No, I think more than that, almost.
I don't know in inch how many.
Like 75.
Yeah, about that. Eric Hosmer.
Okay, base card.
Manny Machado.
And it is a retro design insert.
Christian Betancourt.
The Rican way.
Christian Betancourt.
Betancourt.
Okay.
And it's a refractor. Numbered, yes. And it's a rookie, numbered to 199. So we'll just zoom in on this puppy right here. There we go, 116 of 199. Very nice, very nice.
Giordano Ventura.
Giordano Ventura.
Okay.
Rookie.
And Ryan Braun.
Ryan Braun. Which cheater in French?
CashApp.
What's cheater in Spanish? Okay, we'll call him La Tricius because he's a girl and he's a cheater. But only in France. Okay, so that's it. We've opened up the entire box. I will just give you a quick recap. We got 2 autographs. One was Michael Choice. The other was George Springer. Both non-numbered, but both are on-card autographs. We have this really nice die-cut, blue, sparkly, shiny. Sorry, I got distracted by the sparkliness and shininess. Michael Choice insert. And, okay, we've got these retro, or no, I'm sorry, this one isn't a retro. These retro design cards, 3 of them. Then we have this Tony Gwynn insert. We have several refractors that were not numbered, and 2 X-fractors not numbered. And then we also have the Betancourt rookie refractor that is numbered to 199, the Darvish refractor numbered to 125, and the Scherzer, or whatever his name is, refractor numbered to 25. And, of course, from the very first pack, oh, I forgot to rub the packs on your boobs.
Well, next pack.
Yeah.
Back on the rack.
Yes, yes! Ooh, I should start a web series called Pack on the Rack, and it'll be me opening up cards after rubbing them on your tits. Okay, so we have Jose Abreu. Oh, no, I was pointing to the wrong one. Wait, yeah, that one, and then Masahiro Tanaka. So, nice, better than I expected, actually, the box. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.